Hi, y'all. I'm just coming in today to give you some tips and clarify what might help you create and manifest quicker. I love to do these things. It has helped me, and I'm going to share some of the things that I do to help me create the reality that I want to create. Here goes. Number one. Clear intentions. When you have a clear intention, I would write it down, especially at first. I would write it down and be very clear. Do you want an extra $100,000 in your bank account? How do you want it to come? How do you wish it would come? Know that God and the universe has your back on this. Be very clear and use visualization. Sit there with your eyes closed. Visualize what you want. Know that it's coming. Just know that you know that you know. Remember when you were a child and when your parent said you were going to get an ice cream cone. You didn't question it. You just knew that you were going to get that ice cream cone. Strive for that feeling. It really helps bring things to pass. Number two, act as if you've already had it. Maybe you're going for a special job or career move. Start updating your wardrobe, the clothes that you wear. Change your perfume or your cologne. Wear extra makeup. Get dressed up. Just act as if you would if you already had it. Even if you're trying to manifest a relationship or something. What would you do if you were already in that relationship? You would have part of your dresser, open to your new spouse. You would have part of your closet and hangers ready for his or her clothes. You would have the bathroom fixed up for his or her items. Do little things that you know that you would do already when you're already in that relationship or that job or that situation that you would do. You're going for the feeling of being wealthy, the feeling of being in a relationship. That's what you're going for right there. Number three, act as if it's already happened. Don't say negative things. Make sure that your affirmations and the things that you are writing down, your goals, are saying, I am walking in wealth. I am receiving unexpected money. I am wealthy. I am rich. I am in that awesome job that I wanted. I am already doing the things that I wanted. Just make sure you fill in the blanks with what you are going after and keep this up. Again, we're going for the feeling of already having it. Don't let doubt in. If you do have a doubtful thought or a slip up, replace it with a positive one. Say, no, 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 that's not me. That's the old me. I'm positive. I am positive. I am grateful. I am achieving my dreams. And that brings me to number 4, practice unconditional love. That's really important to love and forgive people along the way. We cannot expect to achieve our dreams if we're bashing and hating against others. It just won't happen. We have to be willing to work on and forgive willingly the people who have hurt us in our lives, people who have done us wrong, and go on to create the life we want. Most people don't wake up thinking that they want to harm us. And yes, I know what I'm talking about. I went through years of abuse as a child, years of abuse as a grown woman, abusive relationships, being beat up and hurt and everything, cheated on, lied to. I could go on and on. And then to boot, to lose my leg in 2011, one of them. Long story short, I learned God gave me the grace to forgive people in my life. I won't go in detail here. I'm just sharing this little bit to let you know I know what I'm talking about. I've been through it, and it's worth it. It's worth it. We carry around all those feelings forever. It's just heavy, heavy, heavy stuff. Let it go. Forgive them. Go on. Create the life that you want. Now we're on another one. Here's the last one for today. Gratitude. Practice gratitude. We can't expect to bring more good things into our lives if we're not grateful for what we have now. Remember, somebody watching you is praying for what you have. There may be, if you live in a city especially, there's people that live on the streets, under bridges, in cardboard boxes, awful living conditions, and they're praying for what we gripe about. And we need to be grateful and knowledgeable. We have a phone. We have hot and cold running water. I can remember when I didn't have these things. I went around staying with my friends through a divorce and carting my kids with me. This was not fun. I am really grateful for where I am in life right now and still achieving and manifesting great things in my life. I thank God that I have what I have in my life right now. I have a bed, I have some furniture, I have hot and cold running water, I have electric. I was in a camper for a while with my children trying to live off a battery and a generator, which is doable. I'm not saying it's not. But my point is, be grateful. Did you eat today? Be grateful. Do you have some food in the refrigerator? It might not be what you want, but be grateful right now for what you have. Do you have a cup of coffee? Do you have clothes to wear? And again, they might not be what you want yet, but you can make it and manifest what you want. Be grateful for where you are right now. Write it down. Write down. Do you have $1 or $2? Be grateful for the abundance that you have right now in your hand, in your wallet, wherever you keep your money and everything. And go from there. Start where you're at. Start where you're at and write as if you already have what you're going for. Keep it up. I encourage you to keep it up. It's worth it. God and the universe, the law of attraction is always working for us. We might as well use it to our advantage. And there's many laws in the universe, which I'll teach on some of them later. But this is really important to get through to you guys. And let me leave you with this, is love everybody around you as best you can. Love yourself first. Go in there and give you a big hug. You deserve that hug. Look in the mirror and say, I love you. No matter what you've done, no matter what you did in the past, forget about it. Forgive yourself. And then go on and start creating the life you want. If you find this valuable, please like, subscribe, and share this video. And I thank you all. God bless you. and have a great day. I appreciate you all. Love to all of you. Bye for now.